Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore favorites in Microsoft Edge. Here's an easy way to do it. To do this, go to over here, the little star over here, click on it, and go on these three dots right over here, and go under Import Favorites. Click on it, and here is where you can import your favorites. To do that, you can import from a certain browser that you were using earlier, for an example, like Firefox or like Google Chrome. Then you can simply just click on import and it automatically imports your favorites from Google Chrome into your Microsoft Edge. And let's say you have a big file that you have instead that you want to import from. Then you can go here. It says import. And then you can choose where to import from. You can click here. And you can choose the file and then locate the file you have in your computer. Once you click on it, you click on open and it will automatically import the file. That's how you restore favorites in Microsoft Edge.